grade 1 and I've been having exams. Remember, Clubbies, since some of us are already having face-to-face classes, remember to eat fruits and vegetables and drink your vitamins and stay safe. If you watch my Christmas video, you would know where this came from. So if you haven't watched it yet, I'll link it in the description box down below. And I got this because Christmas, my Ninang Aubrey and my BFF at the and my second BFF, Dad, my BFF's brother, gave me this whole cooking set. Don't worry, Mommy will not forget to link it down the description box. Clubbies, before you cook or bake or do anything that involves cooking, just some reminders for you. Be careful when you're cooking. Be careful when using the oven, the stove, and the knife. Always wash your hands before cooking and make sure you have an adult next to you when you are cooking. First, I'm gonna make an egg.
A few moments later.
Oh. First, if you're making a scrambled egg, first crack the egg. Then you gotta beat the egg like this. Be careful, it might spill on your shirt. Okay, this is the part where you have to be careful. Just wait, I'm gonna wash my hands. I touched an egg. Next, you need to put some salt and pepper. The most important thing with the egg. Pepper is optional. Pepper is optional. I'm not putting this. My mom likes to put pepper, but it's okay if you skip it. My nose is now runny. Now, Clubbies, be careful with this part. Make sure that an adult is with you. Kasi bakit tumalsik? Egg. Careful. You can add something on the egg like carrots or cheese. I got some egg on my hand. Kids, are you here with me? Kids, are you here with me? Clubbies, make sure to flip your egg. Tumatalsik, Nanay, tulong! Tumatalsik, Nanay, tulong! Oh, not cooking. Dati we're making egg, not egg roll. Hoy, tumatalsik! Okay. I'm scared. Get away. Clubbies, if you hear that sizzling sound, get away a little bit. Don't stay too close to the pan because you might get a boo-boo. Oh my gosh, I got scared. It's sizzling. Yes. I'm gonna check if it's cooked. Is the bottom cooked? Oh, it's cooked. Amoy sunog. Clubbies, sometimes you might fail in cooking, but that's okay. Just try and 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 try.
One eternity later.
And try until you don't fail anymore. My second dish, miso soup. So this is the miso soup package. I really love the seaweed. It's really chewy. I'm gonna send this one. Water first. Tapon. I need some tissues for my tissue. if it's out. It looks like coffee. Before you add the toppings, wait for it to boil. 1 eternity later. While we're waiting for that, we're also gonna make chicken sandwich. This is leftover roasted chicken. This is edible, don't worry. But my nanay already shredded some, so I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna this. Make sure you wash your hands. Clubbies, I'm just gonna wash my hands. Clubbies, let's go back to the miso soup first. Oh, sizzling. That's everything in the packet. I'm gonna mix it. Load a little bit. That's it. Let's go back to the chicken sandwich. It's time to put the salt, the pepper, which you should not smell, in the mayo. A little bit of salt. And the mayo. I ate mayo earlier in breakfast. Clubbies, aside from leftover chicken, you could also use. What is that again? You could also use. I forgot what I was supposed to say. Canned tuna. We're going to put this on the bread because we're making chicken sandwich. Clubbies, you can add cheese or anything. Like cheese,